Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to turn off parental controls on PS5. Press the settings icon from top right. Now click on Family and Parental Control. Now click on PS5 Console Restrictions. Enter the passcode as 0000. To enter the passcode, type square from the controls. Now go to and click on Parental Controls for new user. Then press on PS5 and set age level as Don't Restrict and go to PS4. Then change age level as Don't Restrict. Now select Use of PlayStation VR7 and PlayStation VR and set it as Don't Restrict. Then go to web browsing and set it as Don't Restrict. By following these steps, you can turn off parental controls on PS5.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.